It's the statement sandal that isn't afraid to get wet. Meet the Birkenstock Madrid Big Buckle EVA. The iconic Birkenstock silhouette reimagined for the water, the sand, and everywhere in between. At first glance, that oversized buckle looks like it's made from heavy-duty metal, but it's actually a specialized, high-grade synthetic designed to mimic the high-fashion big buckle look without the weight. And because there's no metal, it's completely rust-proof. Unlike traditional sandals that are glued together, the entire Madrid EVA is injection molded with one single continuous piece of high-quality EVA foam. That means no seams to irritate your skin and no glue to fall apart. And of course, it wouldn't be Birkenstock without the legendary support. You're getting the same anatomically shaped footbed you love with a deep heel cup and high arch, built into a material that's ultra lightweight and shock absorbent. When it comes to keeping them clean, the Madrid EVA is both washable and odor neutral. Whether you're heading to a post-workout shower or a seaside brunch, these are the low-maintenance essentials that your wardrobe needs. Big buckle energy, all-day comfort. Shop the Birk.